students, this is Alok sir. In this video I am going to explain systems of unit. In previous part I had explained fundamental units and derived units. Now this is the next part of the chapter, that is systems of units. In previous time we have so many systems of unit. Firstly it was CGS system, and in this system units of fundamental quantity, at that time only three fundamental quantities were used. So it was set up in France. CGS system was set up in France, and in this system units of fundamental quantities are taken as units of length. Unit of length is centimeter, unit of mass is gram, and unit of time was second. So only three type of physical quantity was used there, and the units were like that. And after that FPS system came into existence, and it is also called British system of unit. FPS system is also called British system of unit, and in this system units of fundamental quantities are unit of length is foot, unit of mass pound, and unit of time second. And lastly MKS system. This is the advanced form of French system, advanced form of CGS system. It is also called French system of unit, and the units of fundamental quantities are taken as unit of length was mass, mass kilogram, time second. And lastly the advanced system was SI systems of unit. It is a modernized and extended form of the metric system like CGS and MKS system. This system was adopted by 11th General Conference of Weight and Measurement in 1960. It covers all the branches of science and technology. It is based on the following 7 basic units and 2 supplementary units. Remember that. So what are those basic units? I have already explained in previous part. The basic units are length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. These are the basic physical quantities, basic 7 base quantities also. And units of this quantity, unit of length is meter, mass kilogram, time second, and temperature Kelvin, electric current ampere, luminous intensity candela CD, amount of substance mole. So these are the units of 7 basic quantity, and these are the symbol of meter M, kilogram kg, second S, Kelvin K, current, electric current, that is A, ampere A, luminous intensity candela CD, and amount of substance mole MOL. And the 2 supplementary units are there, and supplementary quantity, that is plane angle and solid angle. Unit of plane angle is radian, and unit of solid angle is steradian. So as well as along with this basic quantity we have 2 supplementary quantity as well, and the units of these supplementary quantities are given: radian for plane angle and steradian for solid angle. These are the systems of unit. Now we will see the next part. So advantages of SI system over other systems of unit. So the following are the advantages of SI systems of unit. This is very important for your school examination. You must have to remember the advantages of SI system over other system of unit. Why SI system was introduced? First advantage is that the SI is a coherent system of unit, means all derived units can be obtained by simple multiplication and division of fundamental unit without introducing any numerical factor. We have already explained fundamental and derived units, so we can also express their unit by derivation from fundamental units. SI system is a rational system of unit. The SI system is only one unit for a given physical quantity. For example, all forms of energy measured in joule in SI system. But in MKS system, units of energy is different. That is, unit of mechanical energy is joule, unit of electrical energy watt hour, and unit of heat energy calorie. So these are the difference. The SI system is a metric system, means the multiple and sub-multiple of the units can be expressed as a power of 10. The SI system is an absolute system of unit, means it does not use gravitational unit. The use of G is not required. It is the absolute system of unit. And the most important is that SI system is an internationally accepted unit. So these are the advantages of SI system over other systems of units. Now, some guidelines to write SI unit in symbols. Very important for multiple choice question. Rules for writing SI system in symbolic form. First is, small letters are used in symbols of units. Only small letters. Symbols are not followed by a full stop. The initial letter of a symbol is capital only when the unit is named after a scientist. Remember that. The full name of unit always begins with a small letter even it has been named after a scientist. Means when we use abbreviation capital letter, then we will use capital letter, and when we write the full names of unit, then we will start with small letter, not with a capital letter. And small do not take plural form, not like kilograms, grams. We will write gram and kilogram. So these were the guidelines for writing SI unit. Now we will see some practical common units. Some common practical units are given as, so some practical units for measuring small distances, that is Fermi, angstrom and micron. Fermi is the very small unit used for measure the nuclear size. 1 Fermi equals to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. It is also called femtometer. Angstrom, it is used to express the wavelength of light, and 1 angstrom equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Micron, it is also called micrometer, that is, it is used for where distance defined is as micrometer. So 1 micrometer equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and 1 nanometer equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. These are very important for numerical aspects. Some practical units used for large distances, that is light year, astronomical unit and parallactic second. Light year is the unit of distance, that is the distance traveled by light in 1 year, and which is equals to 9.467 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Astronomical unit, it is defined as the mean distance of the earth from the sun. So 1 astronomical unit equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Parsec, that is parallactic second. It is the largest unit of distance used in astronomy. 1 parsec equals to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter, or it is equals to 3.26 light year. So these were some common practical units as well as systems of units and advantages of SI system. Now in next part of the video, I will explain dimension and dimensional equation. Till then, stay tuned and revise properly.